Despite meditation being so simple and having such big rewards, there are some myths about meditation that can stop. Here are the top meditation myths. Myth number 1. Your mind should be still, with no thoughts. I can't meditate because I can't stop my thoughts is one of the most common reasons I hear from people. However, what's important to understand is that thoughts are a natural and necessary part of meditation. When you meditate, your body gets rest. When the body rests, it heals. Due to the mind-body connection, activity in your body is reflected by activity in your mind in the form of thoughts. Thoughts are therefore a sign that healing is taking place in your body. Healing your nervous system is a fantastic byproduct of meditation. Myth number 2. It takes a long time to enjoy any benefits. You start benefiting from meditation from the moment you begin. You might not experience immediate peace or joy, but your body will get a chance to rest, release stored stress, and heal. This myth reminds me of a story. A 70-year-old man wanted to learn to play piano. His son questioned what the point was, because it takes so long to learn. However, the piano-playing pensioner wasn't persuaded to quit. Instead, he simply told his son that if he started now, he'd be a much better piano player by age 75 than if he didn't start at all. I love this story because it is very much the same for meditation. It may take a little time to experience highly noticeable changes. But if you start and keep doing it regularly, you can be sure you will be experiencing much more peace, love, and happiness over the coming months and years, compared to if you never start at all. Myth number 3. Meditation stops when you open your eyes. Most of your day will be spent with your eyes open. Peace is experienced when you put your attention on the still that resides within your conscious awareness. You can direct your attention with your eyes open and closed. One goal of meditation is to develop the habit of effortlessly having some of your attention looking inward on the presence of silent space at all times. Eyes open or closed, it need not matter. Myth number 4. If thoughts are okay, then it's good to think. Although having thoughts is okay, I am not recommending you intentionally think your way through every meditation. There is a big difference between having thoughts and thinking. When you are meditating, you want to let thoughts flow through your awareness without engaging in them through the act of thinking. Be gentle on yourself if you find yourself thinking when meditating. It's just a habit. When you become aware that you've been thinking, simply come back to being alert and present. Myth number 5. Meditation is difficult. Practiced correctly, meditation can be the easiest and most enjoyable thing you ever do. For something to be difficult, it requires effort, struggle, stress, and stamina. However, the truth is meditation requires the exact opposite. There is no effort because you are learning how to do nothing. There is no struggle because you are not forcing anything. There is no stress because you are not resisting anything, and there is no need for stamina because the main purpose of meditation is to relax.